students. Today is lesson 14. Are you ready for Who's in the Bag? Take your Who's in the Bag sheet and take a pen. Are you ready to sing? 1, 2, 3. Okay, children, let's see who's in the bag today. Number 14. Who is this man? Do you know who he is? Let's find out. Question number 1. What's your name? I'm Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma. M-A-H-A-T-M-A. I will repeat. M-A-H-A-T-M-A. Gandhi. G-A-N-D-H-I. I will repeat. G-A-N-D-H-I. Okay, are you ready? Mahatma Gandhi. Remember to correct if you made a mistake. Very good. Next, question number 2. Where were you born? I was born in India. India. I-N-D-I-A. I will repeat. I-N-D-I-A. Ready? India. Do you know where India is? India is in Asia. Okay, now the last question. Question number 3. What did you do? I was a politician. Politician. P-O-L-I-T-I-C-I-A-N. I will repeat. P-O-L-I-T-I-C-I-A-N. Okay, are we ready? Politician. Okay, be careful with the pronunciation. This letter makes the sound sh. Politician. Do you know what a politician is? In Italian, it's politico. Okay, super good. Now I want you to listen and repeat. What's your name? I'm Mahatma Gandhi. Where were you born? I was born in India. What did you do? I was a politician. Okay, children. Now, who was Mahatma Gandhi? Why was he famous? I want you to listen to the story about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born in India in 1869. Now, India was not an independent country because India was under British rule. Mahatma Gandhi's religione, was Hinduism and Jainism. Jainism is a very ancient Indian religion. It is a religion of peace and it practices non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi finished school and then he went to university. And at university, he studied law. Then Mahatma Gandhi went to South Africa to work. But in South Africa, he saw that the white people were mistreating the people who were not white. So he decided to go into politics and to fight for justice. He didn't fight in a violent way, but in a peaceful way, like his religion, Jainism. Then Mahatma Gandhi returned to India. He returned in 1915. He became the most powerful political leader. He wanted India to become an independent country, not under British rule. Finally, in 1947, India became an independent country, and this was a big victory for Mahatma Gandhi. Unfortunately, purtroppo, he was shot and killed in 1948. Now, children, I want you to take your copybook or a sheet of paper, and I want you to write down the new words that we have learned. Okay? Go! Very good. Do you have your sheet about Mahatma Gandhi? Now I want you to watch this video about Mahatma Gandhi. Tenete sempre il foglio con I vocaboli vicino a voi, così potete sempre andare a vedere il significato delle parole. Watch this video. Mahatma Gandhi was born in India in 1869. India was not an independent country because it was under British rule. Mahatma Gandhi's religion was Hinduism and Jainism. Jainism is a very ancient Indian religion. It is a religion of peace and it practices non-violence. After school, Mahatma went to university to study law. Then he went to South Africa to work. In South Africa, he saw that the white people were mistreating the people who were not white. So he decided to go into politics and fight for justice. He didn't fight in a violent way, but in a peaceful way. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in 1915. He became the most powerful political leader. He wanted India to become an independent country. Finally, in 1947, India became an independent country. This was a big victory for Mahatma. Unfortunately, Mahatma Gandhi was shot and killed in 1948. Okay, children, now you know the story about Mahatma Gandhi. Actually, in realtà, his name was not Mahatma, but Mohandas. Do you remember when Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in 1915? Well, quando lui è tornato in India, gli era stato dato un titolo onorifico, a honorific title. E quel titolo era Mahatma, che in indiano vuol dire grande anima, great soul. Questo titolo viene dato soltanto a persone molto, molto speciali. Now, children, we are going to study the UK. The UK is the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is a special country because it's made of, fatto di, 4 countries. The 4 countries are England, Scotland, Northern Ireland and Wales. Do you remember Wales? Yes, it's where Roald Dahl was born. Let's look at England. England is the biggest country in the UK, and the capital of England is London. Now, the word England comes from the Germanic people, the Angles, who invaded the island, l'isola, 1,500 years ago. Let's look at Scotland. Scotland is in the north of the UK, and the capital of Scotland is Edinburgh. Northern Ireland. Northern Ireland is a part of Ireland. Only Northern Ireland is in the UK. The capital of Northern Ireland is Belfast. And finally, let's look at Wales. Wales is in the west of the UK, and the capital of Wales is Cardiff. Now watch this video about the UK. The UK, or the United Kingdom, is a country in Europe. It's a special country because it's made up of 4 countries: England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, and Wales. England is the biggest country in the UK, and its capital is London. The name England comes from the Angles, the Germanic people who invaded the island 1,500 years ago. Scotland is in the north of the UK. Its capital is Edinburgh. Northern Ireland is a part of Ireland. Its capital is Belfast. Wales is in the west of the UK. Its capital is Cardiff. What is this? This is the national flag, la bandiera nazionale, of the UK. And it has a name. The Union Jack. And the Union Jack was created in 1801. The Union Jack is a special flag because it's a mix of many flags. What is this? This is the flag of England, a red cross with a white background. And this is the cross of Saint George, the patron saint, il santo patrono of England. So, the red cross is here, the red cross. Now, what is this? This X-shaped red cross with the white background is the cross of Saint Patrick. And Saint Patrick is the patron saint of Ireland. So this X-shaped red cross is here. Can you see? The cross of Saint Patrick. Now, what is this? This is the flag of Scotland, a white X-shaped cross with a blue background, and this is the cross of Saint Andrew, and Saint Andrew is the patron saint of Scotland. So this cross is here. Can you see this white cross? The cross of Saint Andrew. So as you can see, the Union Jack is a mix of many flags. But what about Wales? Well, in 1801, when the Union Jack was created, Wales was part of England, faceva parte dell'Inghilterra. So, in the Union Jack, there is no Wales. Now, children, I want you to draw the Union Jack. You can draw it as you wish. Disegnatelo come volete. Big or small, you decide. Però la cosa importante è che rispettate i colori e anche le dimensioni. So, next time I see you, I want to see your Union Jacks. Okay, children? So, that's the end of our lesson. See you next week.